In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a website from loading with Brave Shield's custom filters. If you want a clean, distraction-free browsing experience without installing extra extensions, this method is simple and effective. We'll use your browser's built-in Shields feature and a single custom rule to stop a site from loading entirely. First, open your browser's settings. Look to the top right of the window and click the three-line menu icon, often called the hamburger menu. From the drop-down, choose Settings. This takes you to the main preferences area where we can adjust privacy and content controls. Next, head to the Shields section. In the left-hand sidebar, click Shields to open the privacy and blocking options. Shields is the engine that handles ad and tracker blocking, and it also supports your own filter rules. Scroll down the Shields page until you find the area labeled Create Custom Filters. It's typically near the bottom, underneath the standard toggle options, and it includes a text box where you can type or paste your rules. Now, add the site you want to block using a single line in a specific format. In the text field, enter example.com document, but replace example.com with the domain you want to block. Don't include HTTP, HTTPS, or any slashes. Just the domain itself. Those two vertical bars at the beginning tell the filter to match the domain and its subdomains. The caret symbol after the domain marks a boundary, and document ensures the main page won't load at all. For example, using the base domain blocks the top-level site and most subdomains, which is typically what you want for a full block. Make sure there are no spaces and that the domain is spelled exactly right. When you've entered the rule, click Save Changes. The moment you save, the filter becomes active. From now on, when you try to open that site, the browser will prevent the page from loading at the tool level. Depending on the page, you might see a blank screen or a quick error message. That's expected and confirms the block is working. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth: put each filter on its own line if you add more than one, keep the format exactly as shown, and use the base domain when you want broad coverage. If you ever need to review or refine your rules, you'll manage them in the same Create Custom Filters section. That's it. Menu to Settings, Shields to create custom filters, enter the /domain document rule, and save. You've now blocked that site from loading with a clean, built-in solution.